Hi, welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles. Couple of days ago, we were invited for the special block screening of F1 the movie, and I saw something there being sold at one of the booths that really caught my attention, so I really need to get one. So come join me as I show this to you. Okay, as you might have seen in the thumbnail, okay, this is what they did to the Hot Wheels 5-pack, Formula 1 5-pack. And look at this. This is very beautiful. Okay, started off. Okay, as I've said, this came from the event of F1 the movie block screening, happened a couple of days ago. Okay. This is a very beautiful display of this 5 F1 cars. Okay, very nicely made. Okay, first off, this was made by Cars and Prints. Okay, there you have it, Cars and Prints. Okay, follow them on their Instagram and Facebook pages. Okay, and this display is placed on a simple frame, but with the F1 cars. Look at the display. Put it there. Okay, very nice. Okay, the cars itself are 1/64 scale. These are from Hot Wheels 5-pack Formula 1. Okay, these are the McLaren, Alpine, the V-Carb or the Red Bull Racing, Kicksober, and the Haas team. Okay, very well made, and also the 3D printed track layouts here. Okay. First off, this is Circuit de Monaco. Okay. And for the second one is Silverstone British Grand Prix. This is Spa-Francorchamps. Okay, Belgium. And this is Suzuka in Japan. And this is Circuit of the Americas or COTA in the United States. Okay, look at that. Really need to get it. Okay, but first I'm going to take a closer look at the cars itself. Okay, basically, since this came from Hot Wheels 5-pack, okay, basically all the same. Okay, but same tooling, same casting, but they have different decals. Okay, and these are all licensed F1 products. Okay, from Hot Wheels. Okay, they printed the teams using correct colors of all the 5 teams. Okay, there's the papaya orange from McLaren, the blue for the Alpine, and also a different shade of blue for the V-Carb. Okay, the Visa, Cash App, Red Bull Racing Formula 1 team, Kicksober, the green one, and also the white and red for the Haas. Okay, this one is nice. Okay, as I've said, since I have the same tooling, okay, we'll take a closer look at the cars itself. Okay, Cars and Prints really did a good job with this one. Okay, very nice. And also, okay, take a look at the cars itself. Okay, first off, we have the McLaren. Okay, a McLaren car. Okay, basically the same tooling with everyone except for this one. Okay, we got their logos of their sponsors. We got the chrome. Okay, Cisco, OKX. Okay, Dell Technologies, Dropbox, Workday. On the sides, or on the side pods rather. Okay, and on the front nose. Okay, here their sponsors. Okay, Hilton, FX Pro, DeWalt, Arrow, and the rest. Okay, and for the rear wing, well, Hot Wheels in it butter to add details. Okay, didn't put any. Okay, still basically all cars are the same except for the color. Okay, Alpine, second one, okay, has their logo, or rather their sponsor, BWT. Okay, in Castro. Okay, Alpine on the front nose. Okay, basically the same. Well, for the V-carb, okay, this is the main logo, main sponsor rather. That's Visa, Hugo, and there's a Honda there. Okay, and the Red Bull logo. Since V-carb is the second team of Red Bull Racing. Okay, on the front it says Visa, and the rest of the other sponsors. Okay, and now we're going on to the Kick Sober team. Okay, more logos of their sponsors. Okay, same goes to the side pods. There you go. Same goes with Haas. Okay, Haas monogram. All Hot Wheels F1 cars, as I've said, are the same. Even the wheels are the same. Okay. These are Aerodisc cars, or rather Aerodisc wheels. Ooh, very nice. And as I mentioned earlier, okay, these are 3D printed track layouts. Like the cars, they've been glued there. Very well made. Very good. Okay, really like this one. Thank you, Cars and Prints. Really glad that I saw you guys there. Okay, well, if you happen to like one, okay, come visit their Facebook and Instagram. Okay, I'll show it to you once again. There you go. Cars and Prints. Okay, you also do, aside from Hot Wheels cars, okay, they also do different ones. Okay, they do frames, shadow boxes, different models itself. Okay, go check it out on their Facebook and Instagram. Okay, since this is a frame, I cannot leave it on the turntable for everyone to see. Okay, really like this one. Hope you guys like it too. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
PJM Collectibles. Little cars, big passion.